I got the black lung. So Walter, this is your shop, right?
Yes.
Awesome. Do you do this full time or?
Yes.
Awesome.
Yeah, so it's Black Magic Dyno Tuning.
Black Magic Dyno Tuning, guys, in Ogden, Utah. Awesome.
I love diesels.
Uh-huh.
I love anything. It can be 90 horsepower. I don't care.
I don't care.
When the fumes start and making smoke, just making it. That's
the same way.
Yes.
I don't care what it is. As long as it can go fast.
No, just make it fun. You know, enjoy.
So what's the highest horsepower you've seen in your shop so far?
That was 1705.
1705?
Yes.
Guys, we're going to have to break that. What was it?
It was a Supra.
A Supra.
Yes,
Very cool.
Cody Phillips from Cody Phillips Racing.
Uh-huh. Very cool.
It was his Supra.
That's awesome. God Squad said wait until he sees what Side Piece does. And especially once, so the truck's name is Side Piece.
Yes, I saw that.
Okay. But once we have the nitrous hooked up, our goal is over 2,000. So, yeah.
Bring her back because I want to see the nitrous.
Gotta see it. Gotta see it. And she's pretty loud too. Is that pretty standard for in here? All right.
The interesting thing about this one for me is I saw your guys' name on your truck.
Uh-huh.
This one's named the Side Chick.
Side Chick and Side Piece. That's nice. Heck yeah, I love it. Still in there, jeez.
1403.
That's not what I'd expect.
She did a little spinning.
So I don't think I got it up on boost soon enough. I'll work. I gotta get used to this one a little bit, but I didn't get her up on boost soon enough. Where did it come in? What was the RPM?
Right at 2300, 2269 is where.
Horsepower? Horsepower kicked off at 23?
No, the highest one or where it took off at?
Where was it max?
37.
Okay, all right, so that literally did exactly what I wanted because we moved it up 200 RPM with the housing change.
Okay.
That's perfect.
First pull. Let's give them what they want. What did you pull? What did it feel like?
I think we did like 1402, which pretty confidently spun this tire at least a little bit because it's looking a little chafed. But the big thing is the rail pressure held a lot better, and it's kind of evident too by the fact that it never cleaned up the fuel. So that tells me that we are definitely we're definitely going the right direction. So we dropped drive pressure by 20 psi, which is exactly what we wanted, we were hoping for. The other big thing that we got though was we got the peak horsepower to come in 200 RPMs later. So everything that we were trying to accomplish, we got out of that run, so that's great. I need to load this dyno a little differently. I definitely didn't have it where it needed to be. So I'll load it a little different, we'll smack it different next time, and then now it's time to just start playing with some tuning.
What's going on, Cummins gang? For a minute I thought the truck was on fire. Yeah. How did it feel to be in there, Wes, with all the smoke?
Well, I knew we were gonna smoke it out, but that just goes to show that we got the rail. So now we can actually dial back our pulse width because we got rail. So I'll keep the rail in it. I'll pull the pulse width back probably like a 200 microseconds. Should clean it up that last 800 to 1,000 RPMs, which will put us exactly where we need to be.
Side Piece, the global warmer.
Yeah, well, and I'm gonna need to get it up on boost. I did not have it loaded. This new housing acts way different, so I started laying into it at like 2,600, and it was just like, no.
That's the hard thing with big houses.
Well, this is not the I'm gonna have fun on the street housing. This is the I want to smack a big number housing.
So we're on the blue line, right? Came on. Yeah, you can tell you brake boosted that one a little bit more, right?
Like both of those are starting to down curve and they're like peaking both of them pretty close to the same. Yeah. I mean, what one it was before too. I've worked that.
Tuning, but in the interest of time, we want to test a couple of things. So when we lost the power and we went down to that 1350, we had added timing. So we went back to our timing and we gained that 100 horsepower back. So we know that the timing change was the wrong move. So we're going to go timing the other way by 4 degrees and see if it gains us power, stays the same, or we lose it. But at the same time, we want to do a test because we're still having some trouble getting all the way up on our rail pressure. So we're going to drop duration a little bit and see if we'll actually hit the rail pressure that we're commanding. Because if we get it, even with less US, it's the same amount of fuel either way. So
here's all the numbers so far. What are your thoughts on that last run, Wes?
that was fucking gnarly. Like, it's not showing on the graph, but I can tell you by sound that was a rowdy run. We made good power with way less timing, and we were able to track rail perfect. So that was good. That was a very good run. I don't know if it came across in the live with the guys that were here in the last ones, but the sound is noticeably different. Like, you can tell a difference.
Now, are you going to try doing it with the wastegate?
Yeah, we're going to gate this next one, so it's going to be really pissed.
It's going to get really loud next time.
Next time, so it's going to be loud.
Perfect.
But I use a Mac valve, and it's PWA control, so it's like pow, 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 pow. Yes. All right, so we have our duration down a little bit. So 1532, I think, was the max we hit on this one. Yeah, so like 1500, 1530 on duration was the max, but we were able to hold rail a little bit better. So we're gonna see if we can get a little more rail, which will ultimately give it a little more fuel, but it'll like the rail more than just doing more duration. So we're gonna try and shoot more fuel in at a higher velocity, basically. And then we're gonna not change anything else. The thing that's super crazy with this one is we pulled timing out. So our timing was actually pretty freaking low for this run.
What was the timing?
24 degrees.
I feel like when we were at Industrial, you guys were talking about that it was insane that you were, on, 20-something degrees?
We were rocking like 30 and change in Industrial.
That the way we scaled the table for the pump pressure may be an issue, so we're trying to figure that one out right now.
It's adorable, you teaching. I love it.
The new fad right now is that Thomas the Train,
Yeah,
whatever
yeah,
thing.
give me that. Air-fuel ratio, all of it. I have a feeling this is going to be the richest run in history.
Wes,
It's
seriously.
going to be a super rich run.
Okay.
So AFR is 19. Guarantee it's going to be a lot lower when we're done. Don't break my truck. Okay. Okay, guys.
Inside. Jesus Christ, I gotta get out of here. All right.
Oh my God! That's so cool. It sounded good.
Jesus Christ.
That's comical, dude.
That was comical. Holy hell.
What?
Is that the Thomas the Train tune or what?
That's the Thomas
Choo
Train.
choo.
I know I'm going to go dark. That was blackout.
Look at how dark it is in there, guys. So what are the numbers?
Oh, I couldn't see.
Oh, we can't. We can't see him yet.
It's officially too much fuel.
I will say though, it's apparent.
Oh.
Yeah, it didn't drop off.
They said you now have a black Duramax. They can't read the screen. Yeah, give it a minute, guys.
The lights went out of it.
I know. Like that you closed the door or something. It was like black. No, I have one in the front of the truck.
So there's this trend right now where it's like, hey tuner, give me that Thomas the tank engine shit. And it's like just like messy, dirty tunes. And we should do that video with this. It's like that's dropping some smoke.
His shirt's not green anymore.
No. Shirt, socks.
The comments have been going wild, guys. Oh my God.
We just raised global warming about 3 degrees.
Hashtag race truck.
Oh my God, look at the walls, man. I feel like I need to come up and clean your walls. Hate to see side pieces hood. Yes, it's bad. It's bad.
Time for one more run. Do you care if I try and drive it?
On the tank? You can do it. Probably not with this too. I'm gonna do this one?
Yeah.
I've never been outside of the truck when it's going, so.
So, we're going to do one more pool with Austin.
Wait, what? Austin's gonna drive it?
Yes.
So how was that? Huh?
Dirty.
Blacking out the
Dirty.
sun, you guys.
Yeah,
Jeez.
it was dirty.
We just wanted to see what would happen, and we learned that 2,000 microseconds on 450s is a bit much. Bit much.
It's like
Little
like
spicy.
that much, dude.
The cool thing is, though, I think we whacked side piece above 1,400 another, what, 7 times?
Yeah.
Yes. She seems like it's really hurting her.
She don't care.
It says the tire's burning out before it actually.
Oh my God.
Yeah, at 80, you're breaking them loose. That's the circle back right here.
We're burning out from 80 to 100 before it actually hooked.
But then it's still got 1,300 horsepower.
1364. It was the chalk mark that we made on the tire. We lined up with the roller so we could figure out if we're spinning or not.
Yes, it's the original body. I think it's spinning a lot.
Yeah, that's the chalk.
Yeah, it's
We've been smoking them on the dyno. I could have told you that,
Killed the spring.
What?
I can't breathe in this. It's like it's shut off. It's like I can't breathe in this.
I can't do it. It's not happening. Too much.
Babe, my lungs hurt. I think I got the black lung.
Black lung.